I'm Kristel Headley. I've been at Johnson since 2012 and I teach in the graduate counseling program. I came to teaching after several years of work in the mental health field, everything from hospitalization to outpatient therapy. This profession will change and grow with you. My classes are hands-on. It's not theoretical. It has to be practical because you're going into the world with people who are hurting. And as a result, you have to be with them in their pain. Whether it's live supervision with professors watching you counsel behind the window, skills, internship, practicum, and so much more, you'll be fully prepared for any job that lies ahead of you in the counseling field. When I'm not teaching, I'm usually with my family. I'm very involved in the music ministry of our church, play the piano, I've played for years. Counseling is all about learning to sit with people and their stories. We'll start with your desire to help and turn that into a way to change people's lives.